Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to check your American Express card balance. Whether you're a new cardholder or just want a quick refresher, this guide will have you sorted in no time. It's super important to keep an eye on your balance to avoid overspending and stay on top of your finances. Let's dive right in. First up, the easiest method is online. Fire up your computer or smartphone and head to the official American Express website at americanexpress.com. Once there, log in with your username and password. If you haven't set up an online account yet, you'll need your card details to get started. It's quick and secure. After logging in, go to the Accounts or Overview section, and you'll see your current balance front and center, along with recent transactions. If you're always on the move, the American Express mobile app is a fantastic option. Download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, log in with the same credentials as the website. The app makes it even simpler. You can view your balance instantly, plus get real-time updates on purchases and payments. It's user-friendly and perfect for quick checks. For those who prefer a more personal touch, grab your card and call the customer service number on the back. You'll need to verify your identity with some basic info, and a helpful representative will provide your balance over the phone. This is great if you're not tech-savvy or dealing with any account issues. One pro tip: set up balance alerts in your account settings. This way, you'll get notifications via email or text when your balance changes, helping you stay proactive. Always make sure you're using the official Amex site or app to avoid any scams. Security first. There you have it, folks. A straightforward way to keep tabs on your American Express card balance. Managing your money doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.